Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE Reach smart bridge and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this for a variety of reasons. If it's not connecting or not syncing with its app, or if it's not responding, or otherwise just not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of issues. Just keep in mind this will reset the device to its factory default settings, and you'll need to set it back up once you do this. But if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is, first of all, just unplug the smart bridge from the wall. And then once it's unplugged from the wall, you're going to come in and you're going to press and hold the button on the right. It's the only button on the thing. You just press and hold it. And while you're pressing and holding it, you're going to plug it back in. And when you plug it back in, you just keep holding this button for at least 10 seconds. And what you'll notice is after about 10 seconds, all three lights on it will flash. Once all three lights flash, that indicates that the reset has been complete. At that point, you can go ahead and turn it on and set it back up as a new device.